Another Epic Flow production.
Good night, Jamaica. Good night to the entire world. A special good night to you, Mr. Banton. Mr. Banton, I tried calling. None of the two numbers I have for you not working, not the Nextel or the singular chip. Mr. Banton, I'm sorry to have to be coming on social media right now, but I've been left with no choice. You're not answering my calls, like you block me or something. Mr. Banton, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Mr. Banton. I'm sorry, Bujo, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Mr. Bujo. I'm sorry. Bujo, I'm sorry, Mr. I'm sorry, things just never work out how they're supposed to work out. I'm sorry, Mr. I'm sorry, Mr. Bujo, I'm sorry, Mr. I'm 9 years to start my Bujo, I'm sorry, Mr. I'm 9 years to start my Would you stop with me, Yeah. You don't know Sir DJ Radical in that building. All I bad man them in that party and now. Why you grab a shorty? Cause I feed them time now. You go see girl wine now. So after we done chill a party in a New Orleans and brush them up, mosquito slap them up, get a girl and pack them up, them clean like the new roads before NWA mash them up. Me get a call. Rihanna call me on the phone. And what Rihanna said to me? This Rihanna said to me.
Please don't stop the music.
Harder. Roast our fry. Harder. Deeper.
Don't stop.
Epic Flow production.
Radical Epic. Zin, Leash, Big Bad Boy Jamaica, you know. Kingston.
Yeah.